What's up guys? So if your Airstream is anything like ours, it's gonna have a lot of silicone on it. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can see this, but silicone is just the nasty rubbery stuff that doesn't even really work well, but a lot of people try to use it to fix the leaks. And the previous owner of this one covered almost the entire roof with it. It's ridiculous. So I'm working on trying to get this silicone off so I can remove the awning. And there is just a lot on here. It's like, and it's hard. It's like cement too. So right now I'm trying mineral spirits, soaking it in it, trying to see if that will soften it up and help it release. There's just a ton of it. Got it all around the vents, just everywhere. It's ugly, nasty stuff, so I don't know why anyone would use that. Lazy way of doing things.
I had no idea. I don't know what I'm doing here. How do I change it? Oh, like that? We're learning. We had no idea how much silicone was actually covering this thing. The nice thing is that there's somewhat of a, like, you're like satisfied when it starts to come off. So we just have to get this awning off that Ben's working on, and then we can probably start in some other areas, which will be really nice. To prep for the outside of the Airstream. So I asked Ben if he still loved our Airstream. What'd you say, babe?
Someone asked.
Because I'm not a super fan of it right now. I have a blister on my thumb. The last time I had a blister on my thumb was when I played way too much Nintendo, and I got a big old blister on my thumb. Okay, pretty much silicone. I will like, I hate it. Like this guy went so silicone happy on our Airstream. He was like, silicone!
Silicone silly.
Silicone! Let's silicone! Anyways, the truth is that even though it's a beautiful thing and the project, there are days where you wonder what the hell you're actually doing. And are you able to continue forward? Well, just people need to know that, like, this is a lot of hard work. Like, are other people scraping off silicone from their Airstreams?
Parker! Hey!
Daddy!
What are you doing?
I'm hugging you.
Aww. Lacey's up there doing her favorite thing ever.
That's right. I'm gonna become the silicone queen.
Gonna be taking all the hardware off. So all of this stuff, the emblem, the trim. I just took the stainless steel rock guards off the front. I was kind of scared to see what I'd find underneath here, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Everything's looking pretty good. Gotta take the Airstream logos off. I'm not gonna take the lights off yet in case I still need to tow it anywhere. So the goal with this is just to get a nice clean surface, nice and shiny, get down to the bare aluminum. We want it to have that nice shiny classic Airstream look. That's another reason to take everything off. Dirt and grime from 30 years of just going out and camping. Alright, so when you're going around drilling out rivets, keep a pair of pliers with you because you're going to get a buildup of rivet heads on your drill bit. And so when that happens, sometimes, this one's pretty loose, but sometimes they can get really jammed on there. And so you just want to squeeze that head and then put your drill in reverse, and then you can just back it all off. got all the trim off and most of the hardware I think that needs to come off, besides lights and the stuff on the roof. And that took us about 4 hours to get all that stuff done, but it wasn't too bad. It was just a lot of riveting. One thing that we had to think about was that this is parked in the front yard, and so we didn't want metal shavings going everywhere, so I had Lacey follow me around with a shop vac to get as much of the metal shavings as we can. We also put this carpet down on the ground, which came from inside the Airstream, and that caught any extra stuff, and we were able to just vacuum it up really easy. How long has it been?
5 years.
2 weeks? 2 weeks since we worked on the Airstream?
Yep.
Waiting for the weather to get warm, and we have a 3-day window right now where it's supposed to get up to 70 by Thursday. So we're taking this opportunity to get out of the house because we're all getting cabin fever. We're gonna go get some work done and have some fun. First we gotta stop by the hardware store, pick up some stuff, and we'll see how that goes.
It smells so freaking good. It's my new charcoal soap and facial lotion, all very natural ingredients, and if you could smell this right now, like your whole body would just be so happy.
Lisa got that in the mail. I told her to film, but she didn't really care. She was just opening her package. So, thank her for how little we have on this video.
I'm videoing Daddy opening the box. Hello, Daddy.
Hello. We're having trouble getting this, all the silicone off, and we haven't even gotten to the really bad part. So, I thought I would try to heat it up and get it nice and soft, make it a little easier to come off. So let's see if this works.
Again. Hello, my name is Parker, and right now we're taking apart, my mommy and my dad are taking apart the headlight and the taillights, and I'm just videoing them. It's awesome. So, let's go video them.
Just finishing off the last couple things that we need to take off to get out of the way. We've got the Airstream logos that are up there on both sides, and just took like these lights off so we could get the strip around the edges.
So this is how the whole Airstream turns out when it's done, and that's gonna be a thing of beauty of work. Now that's a thing of beauty right there. Airstream that we're working on right now, and I'm videoing. It's awesome. Wait, what are you trying to get off? And now my dad's taking off the tape, and my mom's just sitting on a chair.
My favorite part so far has just been spending time, being able to do this together, and start dreaming about our future.
My favorite part of the
Using the orange
Airstream
stuff.
was videoing and just painting the stripper on today. That was so much fun. I said I can't do this movie. And also what? Make it. I can still go out there to stay. Hello everybody. Me again, Parker. We are fixing up the Airstream. Dad's about to go on top of the Airstream. my sister's playing baby, wherever she's playing. Okay, I'm videoing. My dad's on top of the roof doing something. I don't know what he's doing. Probably taking off the silicone. Well, my mom's painting on stills. I'm in the house, just videoing. I'm also outside videoing. Doing lots of stuff with this off my pocket, and so my favorite thing about the Airstream is just videoing.